Legal Guide real estate video series. Today, we are talking about the most common documents involved in buying or selling real estate in Costa Rica. If you're investing in Costa Rica, you will likely come across these documents during a real estate transaction. You might not use them all, but it is important that you get to know them. The LOI is a term sheet outlining an agreement proposal. It is usually not binding, and it serves to clarify the key points of a transaction. The LOI is generally the first document produced by real estate agents to initiate the communication pertaining a future transaction between a buyer and a seller. Option to purchase and sale agreement. We normally call it PSA or SPA. It is a contract where seller and buyer agree to sell or buy one or more properties. The PSA sets the foundation for a secure and smooth transaction and describes in full all the terms and conditions that must be met to complete the sale. It does not need to be long or complicated, but it does need to be complete and clear. The escrow agreement. It is a contract defining the terms and conditions under which a buyer deposits cash with an independent third party known as escrow agent, who in turn, and subject to specific terms and conditions, delivers it to seller and other parties involved. We always advise clients to close using an escrow service because, as you know, it's easy to give money away, but not so easy to get it back. Due diligence is a process where the buyer, through a real estate firm or attorney for a specific period of time, systematically researches and verifies the legitimacy and accuracy of the title, as well as the contingencies that could cloud it. Therefore, the due diligence report is a document containing the information uncovered, as well as a summary of the key points needed to make an informed decision. The due diligence is a smart investment, not an expense, as many of the documents collected during due diligence are in Spanish, or its content will not mean much to foreign buyers without an explanation. This is the final legal closing document prepared and authorized by a public notary, where the seller transfers to the buyer one or more properties or assets. It should be a reflection of the terms of the SPA and the agreements generated after its signing. The purchase and sale deed must be incorporated in the notary's book and registered in the public registry of Costa Rica for it to be binding and enforceable against third parties. Remember, buying and selling properties in Costa Rica is a formal process with many moving parts. Therefore, you need to be fully counseled and represented by a savvy and experienced real estate attorney or firm. Ask your attorney about his or her experience in the market, number of years as a practitioner, volume and types of transactions handled to ensure you are working with the right person or team. For more information, visit www.4.legal and go to our resources page. If you don't find what you're looking for, write to us and let us know. We will produce a blog or video just for you, and remember that by doing so, you will be helping others like you make the right decisions.